This is the story of my personal best largemouth bass. First hour started off interesting, as it always does in Clear Lake. We started off at a creek that usually holds a couple fish. We fished for about an hour until we came upon a bunch of raccoons. It was a pretty funny moment, so we had to stop and film it. It seemed as if the raccoon family was kicking off one of its members. We heard the bushes rustling, and it seemed as if they were all fighting.
That's crazy. Where's your phone?
They're trying to kill the other one. That one that's getting away by itself.
You're on a lot of weeds that you're on.
I'm gonna cut them off. I still want to pull the boat. Drown this bastard.
He did something to piss him off.
After that, we chose the spots, which is where I caught my first fish and the first fish of the trip.
Oh, that's a good fish, dude. Get the net, get the net, get the net.
Yeah, baby.
Hell yeah. That's a good fish. Real good fish. That's the boss fish. Oh, number one. Mm-hmm. That's right, that's right. That's how we do it. That's a good one. All right.
Great fish.
Hell yeah. Finally, dude.
Finally.
Skunk is off the boat. Look, it holds. Okay, number one.
The next two fish came to my dad and would later end the whole day with 3 fish in the boat.
Oh, hell yeah. Good. Just don't touch the ground.
Let me grab him.
Hey, don't reel up that far. He's a cutie pie.
Day 2 is where the magic began. I caught a
It's
good
running at
fish
me.
just a couple casts in at the spot we ended at the night before on a black and blue jig.
Oh, no. Son of a gun. That was nice fish.
Whew.
Oh.
Called that too.
Nice red tail. Somebody been biting on it.
Yeah.
Somebody been biting on it. Somebody been biting on that girl, boy. Big old mouth. Oh, it's totally scarred up.
Alright, buddy.
At this point, our scale was acting up and we wanted to weigh the fish I had just caught. Our plan was to go back to a friend's place to weigh our fish if we had caught a giant.
It's just annoying that Well, then we'll run back to Brian's. You have to run back to you.
Now, what we've all been waiting for. The story of my personal best largemouth bass. A truly special moment for all bass fishermen, and an exciting moment for anyone that knows anything about fishing. Right here is the reason we all fish. The reason we will spend days upon days grinding it out just waiting for that next bite. In Clear Lake, all I can think of is that every cast could produce a truly legendary bass. I had just caught my first fish of the day and knew that the bite was on. Still throwing my black and blue jig and knowing that the trip all the way to Clear Lake was going to be almost worthless if something like this didn't happen. A couple casts later, I hooked into an absolute giant and a memory that would never be forgotten.
Right on that leg. Cause I got smacked right as it hit the water.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh baby! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get him there! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah!
All right, we are in Clear Lake. Yeah. So I just caught my PB. The family PB. We've never caught a fish this big, and yeah, he's just an absolute. Just look at this fish. Look at this fish. Absolute monster. That feels good, man. That's awesome.
After the excitement and happiness of catching that fish, we weighed her and got some pictures. And as mentioned before, we had some scale difficulties. The scale ended up just being dead, but we luckily had some spare batteries. She ended up weighing almost 9 pounds and is an absolute beast. We let the fish go and set her back into the depths of the legendary Clear Lake.
Well, it is last day here. Taking the boat in. Caught my PB today. It was a good day. We only caught a couple, but we caught a big one, so made it a good trip. And wow, just look how beautiful it is here, and very blessed to be able to come here and try and catch these fish, but even though it's rough. Yossi Posse, we out.